If you've ever gone fishing, you know that the trick is to get the hook with the bait in front of the fish. It used to be pretty much hit or miss until the tech world raised the odds by coming up with ways to see the fish underwater. Well, now one new innovation has taken angling even deeper, and it's all based on the angle of the bait dangle. Here's Albert Lawrence to explain.
Humans have been fishing for 7 millennia, and depending on the species, the catch rate only averages about half a fish per hour. Well, now there's an underwater device that will give fishermen an unfair, high-tech advantage over the fish by taking the bait directly to them.
PowerRay is a first-to-market underwater submersible drone. It's bringing fishermen right to the source of what's going on underwater.
I made my way to beautiful but chilly Lake Tahoe, Nevada to meet Craig Glover, a man on a mission to help you catch more fish more often with the multifunctional PowerRay.
This looks so sleek.
It looks a lot like a sea ray.
It absolutely does look like a sea ray.
The PowerRay can perform a precise remote bait drop. Once you have a fish located, you monitor the live 4K video feed to maneuver your line, hook, and bait closer to a fish you're trying to catch.
And hopefully, as we back out, the camera will capture the fish grabbing the bait.
To get the PowerRay out to where the fish are requires both motors and thrusters.
So you have one motor on bottom, one motor on top. So the motor on top will make it go down. The motor on the bottom make it come back up to surface. And then on the back side here, we have our 2 thrusters.
And we can go out how far with this?
225 feet or 100 feet down.
To operate the drone requires a cable tether which sends the live video feed to your smartphone or tablet. And you pilot the drone with a joystick controller.
Which is really, really simple to use.
It's just like a video game.
It's just like a video game.
And when it's all connected,
Now all we're gonna do is it says, ready to dive?
Yeah.
Start diving, hit that, and now look at that.
Ooh. Hey, Owens.
You get a selfie now, right?
Right? This is like if we see any sharks out there
Yeah,
today.
exactly.
That's the angle.
okay, obviously there aren't any sharks in a lake, and Craig and I did our best to find some fish to catch, but it became stormy and windy, and Lake Tahoe was getting rough. As for the fish,
There's this one piece of bad news.
What's that?
I mean, now that we've got this kind of video evidence, we can't talk about the one that got away because we can see that the one was never really there to begin with.
Maybe next time.